And fans, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to start another important topic and some important solution for the people who like to customize their desktop. So before starting the video, we would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for more notification. So as you have seen that this is my usual desktop, so let it make more clean. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the desktop icon. So you can see it is feeling more lighter and cleaner. So here in the taskbar, most people like to have the toolbars like address, link, desktop, or some people like to have the search icon, which I mostly don't like, so I have removed that one. Some people like the Cortana button. They can also add the Cortana button. They can also have the task view to check the tasks that are working in the background, and as I don't like any one of them, so I'm removing that one. You can also have a touch keyboard button if your keyboard's button are malfunctioning, so you can also have that. You can see from here you can type the word that is not working or that is the broken key. I also don't use that one. So first of all, we are going to add some free widgets or tweaks. So we will go to the GitHub website and we will check the white tiger T clock. Its version is 2.4.4, and what we're going to do is we are going to download it, and I'm telling you that I am attaching the link of this website in the description so that you can go directly to the website and download this T clock. I'm downloading it. After downloading, we have to install it. It will start like this, and let me close the window, and from here we can click start. Okay, apply, and it will be applied like this. We can also put the alarm and we can enable that one. It will try to wake you up or notify you, like I have to put an alarm that meeting time. After that I enable it, and from here I can do all the time, and after that I have just applied that and it will be working. So I don't need any alarm clock as I'm punctual mostly. So let's disable that. From here we can change the clock text and even color like white. We can change the background of the clock. So we mostly don't need that one. We can change it to the black one, or we can also make it to the default. Default means it will follow the Windows theme. Apply. Okay, now you want to change the time format. From here you can also do the advanced format by changing it, and these formats have certain coding, and you can just click CT clock RTF for available formats. Just click here. So it is telling that if we want to do like DDD, it will show text Wednesday long. For triple D text, so not Wednesday, sorry, it's weekday, so text weekday short. If DDE abbreviated weekend name in English. So let's change and see what is going to happen. We are going to put like this, not NDDD. We are going to put ND, and see it is changed. If we put double D, it will also change. If we put triple D, it will change. Okay, if we put Y, it will put the whole year. If we change, remove 2Y, it will only write 21. Okay, we will do like this. Just apply, and it is done with it. You can try the settings you like your own. From here we can go to the mouse, miscellaneous, and hotkeys. If you want to put some hotkeys, we can put alarm. Okay, this is done. Now we are going to go to the next widget, and that will be the power twice. It is also from the GitHub, and its link is also attached in the description so that you can download directly from there. You don't have to find the one I'm using right now. Okay, let's select the version. I'm just using the experimental version 0.46.0. If you want to use 0.45.0, that is also available. It might be more clean, but I'm using the pre-clean, just pre-release version, just to show you the latest version. Just select it. After that, you have to go down and you have to download the PowerTwice executable file. You can also download the symbols with that, but I'm using the PowerTwice executable file right now because it is just to show you that how it is going to work. So it will take some time, and after that it is going to be installed. So now the PowerTwice is installed and we are going to check it out. So here are the general settings from where you can check the update and go to the administrator mode. We can change the color settings and change the Windows theme to default. If you don't want to change to default, we can do the light, dark, or anyone will like. So there's the first option. If you want to keep your windows awake, like most of the people are doing some video editing and they are exporting some video and they just go away from their computer and mostly their computer sleeps. So from here you can enable the forced awake system of the computer, and you can do the further settings for that. I'm not going to use that, so I'm going to off it out. And from here you can do the color picker, enable it out, do the shortcut, and here it goes. The most important thing is the fancy zones. So basically the fancy zones are for the people who want to do the multitasking on the computer. Like I am going to edit the multi-zones layout, so I want to click this column, create a new layout, create, save, and apply. Boom. Okay, here are the tabs. If you want to put something in that, okay, right, just click shift on the computer and put any tab you want to put in that, and it will work out for you. Like we click Windows T, it will work, and after that just choose the windows you want to put there, like this, like my PowerTwice, and from here I can put two other softwares that we are going to use along with that. And most of the people who are doing some office work, so they can put some PDF files with some details here, they can put some photos or Excel on which they are working, or the Word on which they are working, or you can also see people who do the graphic designing, they can also do the same, the people on the WordPress. So this is for the freaks who are doing the multitasking work and they don't want to waste their time, so they can use the fancy zones on their computers. I'm not going to enable it right now. I will enable when I required, so I cancel it off, so it will be automatically disabled. From here you can do add-ons, image resizer. You can resize the image the way you like. If you want to change the keyboard layout, just enable the keyboard manager and remap the key, remap the shortcut. I don't need that, so I'm turning it off. From here just click enable power rename and do the power settings the way we like. Here are the PowerTwice run. So Here's the shortcut Alt plus P. So PowerToRise Run is just like a Google taskbar, and you can search the icon on your computer the way you like. So let me show you out how we gonna do that. I'm labeling it, and it is really good one. So just Alt plus P, and it will show you the search icon. So from here, if we just remove it out, it behaves like this. Again, Alt P and write movie, and it will give you the suggestions related to the movie available there. So that is a very cool feature for the people who are having a lot of documents and they cannot find the related one they like. Okay, let's go to the PowerToRise settings again. Go to the shortcut guide. We can put the shortcuts the way we like, and we can also remap that. If we select it as Windows Shift W. For the videos conferencing mode, you can also change the setting regarding the videos conferencing. So I'm not using that much widgets or tweaks on my computer, that I am going to use it more cleaner. Okay, this is the main reading. After that, let's go to Chrome and open the wallpaper HD. And from here you can open the unsplash.com or the pexels or anyone you like. Okay, let's try free wallpapers from Splash. So here you can see the categories. Okay, HD nature. I click on the anyone I like I'm going to like this one. Just click download, it will automatically download. And if you want to use more cleaner version, so you can use the wallpaper with a solid color. We can also explore from here and all the categories, and I'm going to attach the link of the website here, and I'm going to download this one. And let's try this one out and see how it is going to look. Okay, refresh. Okay, you can see how cleaner it is. So as this is the white color one, so my taskbar is just missing out. So I'm going to the theme section again, and I'm going to change color to dark to create a bit contrast and see how it works out. So now it's looking a bit cool. And from here, the lock screen, we go to themes, fonts, we can also change it to custom, and from here we can click here to default app mode to light and Windows theme mode to black. So now it is going to create a contrast, and from the Windows settings button you can see it is a bit cool and clean. So that was all from today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for more notification. Thank you.